Hello, this video is going to explain to you the Ohm Law Triangle and how to calculate the power, voltage, current and resistance. We first start by showing the triangle for this law, where is the voltage and I for current. Let me show it to you by a pen. We have the voltage, the V. I have the I, which is the current. And I have the R, which is a resistance. And they are arranged in the triangle in a way that will give you a clue how to calculate it. So, if I gave you the voltage, where is the V, that means if I need to know the voltage, that means that I need to find the I, current, multiplied by the resistance, which is the R. If you need to know the I, where is the current, it means that I need to find the voltage and to be divided by the R. If I need to know the resistance, it means that I need to know the voltage, then divided by the I. So actually what you need, just the one of these triangles, any one of them. And from there you can calculate your missing. If I need to know one the above, I multiply the two which are below. And if I need to know any one of the below elements, I or R, it means that it's going to be voltage divided by the number that already I know. It's important to know how to read the exam question or the question. So the voltage is always expressed in volts or the letter V. Current, we're expressed by the amps or the letter A. Power is in watts. It's the voltage multiplied by the current, expressed by W. And the resistance, it's in ohm or this algebraic symbol. So I have voltage, current, power and resistance, and it's important to know all of them, how they are expressed in units. Let's go to this example. This example will give me the power. Let's read the numbers. If I have it actually in volts, in the V, that means that I have the voltage, and I have the 60 watt, it means that I have the power. And actually what we need here is how much current. So I need to know the I. Let's get back to this. It would say power expressed in W, which already I have, which is equal 60 watt, is the voltage multiplied by current. Back again. So if I go to this is how to express the power is the voltage multiplied by the current. And in this example, I have the 60 watt, which is power, and I have the voltage, which is 12. It means that to find the answer, let's like this. Sorry. Let's take a pen, and it means that to find the current, where is the I need to get the 60 divided by how many voltage or how many volts that I have. It is 12. That means the answer is going to be 5. And the current, if we remember, is expressed by A. So it's going to be 5 amps. Bear in mind that sometimes it gives it to you in another question. If you have the amp, sometimes it's amp, sometimes it's milliamps in the question. But in this case, it's missing. So my answer is going to be 5 amps. This is the first example to show you how to use the triangle. Let's go to explain for you this example in details, which is how can I find the power triangle. Power triangle is another triangle that came from the Ohm Law Triangle. This one, it's looking for the power, and the power, as we said, it is the I, which is the current, multiplied the voltage. Again, if I miss the value P, that means that I will go for the current multiplied by voltage. If I miss, I need to know the I, it will be the power divided by voltage. If I would like to know the voltage, it will be power divided by the current. Let's go to another example. This example, it's I have here the let's go for a pen. This one, I have the voltage, which is great, and I have I know the ohm, how many ohms, so I know the resistance, and the question is how much power. So as we said that the power which is the current multiplied the voltage. That is great. So what we have now, we have this. Sorry, we have the I. We have the voltage, which is equal 3.3. Let me write it for you. So we have the V, which is 3.3. Great. But we don't have the current. We don't have the I. In this case, that we get back to Ohm Law Triangle. And the I is going to be the voltage divided by the R. So this triangle will lead us to the second triangle. So that means to find the I that is important to my main question, I will go for the voltage, or how many volts we have. I have V, which will be V divided by the R. So we have here the voltage 3.3. That is going to be divided by the resistance, which is 0.0. Sorry for the handwriting, and 25. The answer is going to be, I believe, by the calculator, is going to be 132. So I could find the I, which is the current. That is great. So now I will take the 132, which is the I, and take it here to be replaced by this. So that means that is going to be the power that I need to calculate it, which is I current multiplied by voltage, is going to be 132 times 3.3. So if we get a calculator here, I will go for 132, which is the I, times 3.3 equal 435, or it could be approximately 436 watt. So this is how can I found the power. It's just what you need to know is two things. Number one, to get these two triangles in your mind, always in your mind, you can write them on a piece of paper. Then how to read the question. It's important that we always get to this slide, or get this in your mind, to know what is the volt, where is the V, A, W, or the ohm. Then I replace these values by the two triangles in my mind, that you can get the right answer. I hope that it's clear, and thanks very much, and bye for now.